How to add music from library on REDnote application on iPhone and Android. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music from library on REDnote application on either iPhone or Android. So let's get started. Here I'm using iPhone, but if you do have Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are same on both of the devices. So once you're in your REDnote application, you'll be redirected to the home page. So you gotta click on this plus icon over here. So when you click on that plus icon, you'll be redirected to the images section where all of the pictures from your gallery would be loaded. So you can select a picture that you wish to post. For example, I've selected this picture and then you gotta click on next. Once you click on next, what you got to do is when you click on choose music here and click on library, you'll see that there is no option to upload any audio from your gallery. So in order to do that, what you got to do is go back and click on more. And after that, you got to select a template because in order to add music from library or from your gallery, you need to select a template. So just click on template and you can select any of the template from these. For example, I'm selecting the first one. And here you can see that I have selected the template. So what you got to do is that click on music over here and then click on library. And now here you can see that there is an import option. So this option will not appear if you don't click on template. So just click on import over here. Then here you'll be redirected to all of your videos and you can select any video from which you wish to import the audio. For example, I'm selecting this one. So you can then just click on select and then you can click on import the background music only. And here you can see that this is my profile picture and this specific audio has been uploaded by me. So that was how you can add music from library on REDnote application on iPhone and Android. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.